I'm Christian Dern, the director of the DEO, the German school in Cairo, and I'm very proud to be here the third time that we, my team, attend this edition of the bike tour, the COP29. It's a great experience for our young people using their own power and to feel nature directly.
Welcome to the COP29 to Baku. You have come all that long way from Tbilisi, where you started at the German school. You have the school mission also, including the kids and telling the young generation to make peace with nature. Congratulate you for your stamina and your strength. Thank you so much also for including us. We're very happy and proud to support you. Thank you so much.